Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need practical knowledge before applying. Study ad platforms and key metrics so you can speak fluently about CPA, CTR, and ROAS. Next, build a single demonstrable campaign, real or mock, with screenshots and defined results to prove skills. Create an optimized LinkedIn, a concise one-page resume, and a 30-second pitch for interviews. Once done, reach out to contacts and recruiters with that portfolio link, because evidence beats vague claims and gets you past the first screening. Now focus on execution. Run multiple tests for targeting, creative, and bidding strategies, and document what moves KPIs. Make sure conversion tracking and UTM tagging are accurate so metrics are trusted. Prepare a daily reporting template that highlights trends, not just numbers. Simultaneously secure at least one freelance gig, internship, or platform certification to validate experience, and ask for testimonials. Once you have that evidence, create case study slides showing objective, actions, and results to use in interviews and outreach. In interviews, lead with 3 concise case studies. State the objective, your tactical approach, and the measurable outcome, and be ready for deep questions about optimizations. When an offer arrives, negotiate using market data and KPI-based targets tied to bonus structure so compensation aligns with performance. If you face rejection, request specific feedback, update your portfolio accordingly, and keep volume. Apply to at least 3 roles per week. Troubleshooting tip: if you get stuck.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.